Have you ever wondered how the colossal heavy machinery, the titans of the industry, came into existence? Well, it all began with a spark, a moment that revolutionized the world. Join us on a journey to discover the most amazing heavy machinery in the world. Now let's talk about the P&H 2800 Mark, which weighs a massive 750 tons. This beast boasts a bucket capacity of 34 to 38 cubic meters and can pull with a force in the hundreds of kilonewtons. The Tesmec bucket wheel digging machine uses a wheel with bucket-like scoops for efficient trench creation in soft to moderately hard soils, available in various forms. The Caterpillar 395F Eberhard excavator, weighing around 100.9 tons, is designed for robust construction and mining jobs. It excels in digging, lifting, and loading with its 5.7 cubic meter bucket. Here is a versatile 50-ton million-dollar monster with a 13.6 meter reach and a 10-ton lifting capacity, suitable for diverse material handling applications. The rubber tire gantry crane's sturdy steel structure ensures precise, smooth handling at high speeds. It can span 5 to 9 containers and can reach heights from 1 to 3.16 containers. Explore this innovative RCC road construction with over 6-inch thick concrete and high daily productivity up to thousands of square meters, ensuring resilience against weather and heavy traffic. Marty Group's tunneling machine is a construction marvel, boasting a 25-meter length, 7.2 meter width, and a 5-meter height. It has a 1,200 kilowatt engine, excavating up to 10,000 cubic meters per day, revolutionizing tunnel construction. MT 4500 boasts 4,500 horsepower, 1,500,000 nanometers of torque, and can dig up to 160 feet deep trenches, unparalleled in power and capability. The powerful Komatsu PC350 crawler excavator efficiently demolishes solid structures like bridges, roads, and mines. Its 350 GP diesel engine allows operation in challenging locations and various terrains. Schwerl RBTS is a specialized system designed for transporting and relocating large structural components such as bridges and hydraulic structures with a load capacity of up to 17,000 tons. The largest machine on Earth, as Guinness World Record confirms, is this excavator. It spans over 2 soccer fields in length and stands taller than a 30-story building. Mamwit Focus 30 is a formidable beast, boasts a heavy 50-ton capacity, a staggering 13.6 meter reach, and can effortlessly lift a substantial 10 tons. The powerful 320 rotary drive offers torque for drilling applications, automatic torque regulation, 4-speed ranges, and operates using the onboard hydraulic system of the LB and LR Edge carrier machines, allowing fast drilling cycles. The Liebherr LB28 piling rig weighs approximately 85 tons and has a height of 23 meters. With the 406 horsepower engine, it can drill piles with a diameter of 9.2 feet and reach a maximum depth of up to 230 feet. Behold this $10,000 masterpiece. Diecast Masters 1/50th Cat 395 is a precise and detailed 1/50th scale excavator model, measuring 22.86 by 16.51 centimeters. The FR250 is a powerful tunnel drilling machine with an impressive drilling capacity, capable of reaching depths of up to hundreds of meters. And featuring a diameter of 8.5 meters, with a weight of approximately 250 tons, it's a truly robust tool for tunneling and drilling operations. The V-ditch bucket is designed for drainage ditch work with dimensions of up to 3.5 meters in width, 5 meters in depth, and a 10 cubic meter volume. It can weigh from 500 to 4,000 kilograms. Vermeer drum screen with large drum size for enhanced productivity, easy mobility for various applications, and effective removal of both large and small particles. Let us introduce a high-quality excavator that blends power, versatility, and precision. It features a fuel-efficient Isuzu engine, delivering an impressive 271 horsepower, ensuring reliability for challenging tasks. This machine is one of the largest ever built, measuring 580 feet in length. When loaded with ballast and rafters, it weighs around 650 tons. It efficiently replaces old tracks, installs concrete sleepers, adds ballast, and bolts everything together. Voltec M10 and E10 are advanced drilling rigs known for high-quality anchoring in mining, thanks to intelligent option electric transmission. Damon's CSD 500 is a professional sand and gravel dredger with a total weight of up to 500 tons. It can dig to a maximum depth of 30 meters and has a maximum production capacity of up to 4,000 cubic meters per hour. Discover the Odyssey of the Seas, a quantum ultra-class cruise ship. It's 1,138 feet long, 135 feet wide, and can host 4,100 passengers. The ship boasts exciting amenities like a skydiving simulator, indoor sports complex, and a 2-story poolside movie screen. The specialized woodworking excavator is designed for the forestry industries. Its main task is to unload and process wood, optimizing workflow at major woodworking plants worldwide. Let's highlight the Cabogan 822G material handler, a remarkable green machine with a 10-meter reach representing the pinnacle of recycling and scrap metal processing. The Liber MK88-8 Plus, a unique mobile construction crane with high lifting capacity and a large working radius in a compact design, with a working radius of up to 45 meters. It can lift up to 1,850 kilograms, and the Special Plus option increases it by 10% to reach 2,000 kilograms. Solar panel cleaning equipment is designed for maintenance and cleaning of solar panels. Thanks to the cleaning work, solar panels can maximize their energy efficiency. Dynamic compaction densifies soils by repeatedly impacting it with a heavy weight, commonly used in construction and foundation reinforcement. Fantini chainsaw used for felling trees and quarrying. This massive chainsaw has a blade length of around 3 meters and boasts a powerful output of up to 100 horsepower. Artificial wave machines work by generating powerful pulses of water in a controlled environment, creating realistic and surfable waves for water sports. The Atlan 6000 is a massive precision heavy lifting boasting a work radius of 6.5 meters horizontally and 7.3 meters vertically, ideal for complex construction tasks. Slauerhof Bridge. It's a 15-meter wide lifting bridge over Willemsvaart Canal in Leeuwarden, the Netherlands. It can be raised up to 4.8 meters to let boats through. Now that's what I call an engineering marvel. This is a versatile genius machine designed for railroads. On one hand, it has rock barriers on both sides of the railroad to prevent accidents. On the other hand, it can clear snow from the tracks during winter season. The trees in the forest must be trembling in fear of the tremendous power of this mighty beast. Let's see if this guy Schroeder Rene can ingeniously self-transport those wooden blocks onto himself. Those human arms seem unnecessary there. The Caterpillar D11T bulldozer with an 850 horsepower engine is a formidable machine, thanks to Acer technology that optimizes performance, enhances fuel efficiency, and reduces emissions. Designed for underwater operations, Liebherr excavators are typically large in size and have the ability to lift and move heavy objects underwater, often weighing up to hundreds of tons. The RV Flip, a 355-foot research vessel, is designed to flip from a horizontal to a vertical position, facilitating versatile oceanographic research. Introducing the Crambo E-Mobile, abilities for various materials, including wood and green waste. The Liebherr LB44 rotary drilling rig boasts a compact design for cost-effective transport and fast site setup. Powered by a fuel-efficient diesel unit, it offers reduced emissions and easy maintenance, making it ideal for continuous operation. Bucyrus walking draglines are massive machines with heights exceeding 200 feet, lengths over 300 feet, and the ability to lift more than 100 tons. They are primarily used in mining operations for excavation. It's not just specialized technology, it's an incredibly versatile tool across multiple industries, reaching heights of up to 30 meters, equivalent to an 11-story building. Worldwide, cities use large special trucks equipped with high-pressure water streams and spinning brushes to clean tunnels, similar to drive-through car washes. This is a massive aircraft designed to utilize the space atop a rocket launch facility for launching payloads into space. This aircraft boasts an enormous wingspan, reaching up to 385 feet. The hydraulic vacuum bucket transforms hydraulic power into waste disposal and cleaning with powerful air injection and suction, ensuring efficient demolition and material sorting cleanup. Introducing Stump Grinder. Its high rotational speed efficiently grinds and presses woody debris into the ground, eliminating the need for further equipment and preparing the area for new seedlings. Here is the world's largest radio telescope, named Ed, but has already partially achieved its goal of practical astronomical observations. Let's check out the 4045T series, a powerful machine capable of effortlessly laying a 15-inch flexible agricultural drainage slab. As seen in the footage, this technological giant can handle almost any task with ease. Continuing with our demonstration, we have the heaviest motorcycle in the world, Monster Motorbike. The TWT400 trencher is a tractor-mounted disc trencher with a conveyor attachment designed for tractors with a 3-point linkage. It's ideal for turf industry, offering fast, reliable, and clean trenching with easy backfilling. Next on our list is Magnum Force 5800. Is a high-capacity wood chipper known for its efficiency and durability in processing wood waste. The Rolling Bridge, located in London's Merchant Square, is a unique and innovative pedestrian bridge. It is 12 meters long and 4 meters wide, and it has the remarkable ability to curl up and stand on one side to allow boats to pass through the waterway. Conveco Belt Conveyor Loader NK1 16.5 model is a heavy-duty conveyor designed for efficiently transporting materials. It offers a 16.5-inch belt width, making it suitable for various industrial applications and has a robust loading mechanism for enhanced productivity. Comptech Chippo 8010C, a compact and highly productive wood chipper. It efficiently processes wood waste into valuable chips, making it a top choice for wood recycling and waste management. This powerful large-scale sawing machine is utilized in the timber and granite mining industry. Its precise cutting layers can thinly slice through hard materials without causing any damage. To zipping up a jacket, the zipper truck rapidly constructs tunnels and archways by connecting pre-made concrete blocks that fit tightly without using mortar, reducing construction time by up to 90%. Lock Block Limited introduced this innovative arch lock assembly. Here is the Chainsaw by Dazzini, a robust machine designed for cutting marble and stones. It's powered by a Cat 432 motor with hydraulic support and can operate day and night in any weather. Operators can easily adjust it by using stabilizers and a remote control. This underwater bulldozer is ideal for companies involved in road construction, repair, channel laying, and subsoil mineral mining. The Denuser Hammer Model CB40 is a compact yet powerful hydraulic breaker attachment. It excels in various heavy-duty applications, offering high productivity for breaking and demolishing concrete, rocks, and other materials. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping marvels of engineering on Mind Machine. Hit that like button, share with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to keep exploring the world's most incredible heavy machinery with us.